Hey, I'm Aviral Shukla. I'm a data scientist and AI engineer who's been working with intelligent agents and LLM powered apps for years. Google just dropped a surprise Gemini update that turns web app coding into a one prompt magic trick weeks before I/O. Meanwhile, Apple's secretly striking a deal to stuff that same AI into iPhones. OpenAI? They're tearing up corporate plans, slashing Microsoft's cut, and casually spending $3 billion to buy a coding startup. And that's not even the wild part. HeyGen just launched avatars so real they'll freak you out. Lightricks dropped a Hollywood level video model you can run on your laptop, and a music AI just made 4-minute tracks in 20 seconds of reality. Yeah, the last few days in AI have been pure chaos, in the best way possible. Let's talk about it. Google basically shouted, "Surprise!" and pushed an early preview of Gemini 2.5 Pro, the I/O edition, ahead of schedule. At Google's AI studio, they're calling it the Web Dev Arena Champ. It jumped 147 ELO points over the previous build. That L thing? Yeah, it's a human popularity contest for how clean and usable your generated apps look. And the new score? Plants Gemini right at the top. It's also flexing 84.88% on the video MME benchmark. That's the test where models watch video and actually understand what's going on. Michael Trowley, Cursor's CEO, said internally they're seeing fewer botched tool calls. Tulsi Doshi from Google says they rushed the release because devs wouldn't stop begging for it. And honestly, I believe her. If you're using the Gemini API right now, you've already got it. In Google AI Studio, Vertex AI, and the consumer Gemini app, especially the Canvas feature. Now, while Google's busy flexing, Apple's been watching from the sidelines like, maybe we borrow that for a minute. According to insiders, Apple Intelligence on iOS 19 is set to temporarily integrate Gemini. Samsung's already flaunting Gemini in its camera app. Apple doesn't want to look slow when the iPhone 17 drops this fall. Sundar hinted they're at the handshake stage. Series onboard models, not fast enough. So Gemini gives them a booster shot. Analysts say once Apple closes its model gap, they'll revert to their own stack. But for now, you might actually get Gemini inside iOS, just like Google Maps. OpenAI just ripped off the corporate band-aid. Sam Altman wrote a letter basically saying, "We flirted with a for-profit model. Nah, non-profit stays in charge." Remember when Sam got booted for a weekend? Yeah. This locks in the non-profit as the controlling shareholder. They even brought in attorneys general to legally glue OpenAI back to its mission. Elon? Still suing, it's a fight that doesn't even exist anymore. Sam's response, "We've got bigger things to deal with, like GPU scaling." Next up, OpenAI slicing Microsoft's revenue share in half by 2030 from 20%, 10%, maybe less if usage spikes. And OpenAI is raising $40 billion at a 300B valuation. They need every margin point they can find. Then there's the 3B Windsurf acquisition. Its superpower? Live code collaboration. Now ChatGPT Pro gets real-time tools that go head-to-head with Copilot and Cursor, and maybe better language plus offline support too. And finally, HeyGen just dropped Avatar 4 upload one photo and a TENS voice file. Boom! You're speaking with synced facial motion. One reviewer? No words. Posted a 30-frame clip that looks like a Hollywood ADR session. Don't want to be on camera? Send your avatar to give your quarterly presentation. Catch up, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.